Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view Grammarly Insights. Viewing Grammarly Insights allow you to analyze your writing performance and understand your strength and area of improvement. Here's how to access and view Grammarly Insights. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to grammarly.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, open the document for which you want to see insights. On the right sidebar, you will see your overall score and various writing insights. Click on Overall Score button. The Insight panel will display various metrics, including word count, readability, vocabulary, and all. You can click on Download PDF Report button to save a detailed report of your writing insights. You can customize what insights you receive by adjusting your settings in Grammarly application or account. Regularly checking your insights can help you track your progress and improve your writing skill over time. By following these steps, you can easily view and make the most of your Grammarly insights. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.